I first made a small triangular table to go with our Adirondack chairs, which you can find in a previous video. The guests loved this, sitting at the end of the pool. I then made a slightly bigger one to go with two chairs which we could sit out with coffee, wine, beer and enjoy ourselves. This inspired the idea of a larger one. When I had this first section assembled using 2" by 2", each side measuring 1m20 m, the length of pallet wood, it was then I had the idea of building a hexagonal table that 6 people could eat and drink at. I then assembled a Y section of 2 by 2, held together with brackets, leaving a gap in the middle for an umbrella, with each of the Y pieces the same length from the centre as from the centre to the tips of the triangle. As this was secured on top of the triangle, more 2 by 2 had to be secured on top, from the Y to the tips, overlapping the tips in the opposite manner as you can see in this picture. As you can see, I have cut points in the tips of the Y pieces and then added the outer pieces of pallet wood first. I then fitted the rest of the pieces in the sequence shown in the pictures. Some of you might be thinking that if you lean on the tip of the Y where there is no leg, the table would turn over, and you would be right. But to stop the risk of that happening as much as possible, the 3 legs fitted into the corners of the triangle are the heaviest, densest wood I had, which counterbalance that there are no legs at the Y points, and this works very well. And the reason for wanting only 3 legs? Wherever we are on our farm, very little is flat, if any, so 3 legs equals no wobbly table. I did sink the screws a little on the tabletop wood, so that if needed I could sand or plane the top to flatten it off now and again. I hope this video might be of use to someone. Thanks for watching.